The bypass tray accommodates up to 100 sheets of 20-pound bond paper. Use the bypass tray to make copies on specialty media like cardstock or OHP transparency film. Non-standard size paper can be within the range of 5.8 to 52 inches by 3.9 to 8.5 inches. Perform the following steps to practice bypass copying for non-standard size paper. Place the original on the glass. Open the bypass tray. If the paper is large, pull out the paper holder. Place paper with its print side down on the bypass tray. Align side guides to edges of paper. Ensure that there are no gaps between the paper and the side guides. Press copy. Press bypass feed tray to select it as copy paper source. Press bypass feed tray again to set type of copy paper being used. Select the type of paper being used and then click OK. Select desired zoom settings if needed. Press OK. Select other copy modes as required and then press the Start button.